Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ehsan Ilahi. Today we will discuss about a software which is logically. Through logically software, we can make different logic circuits. And we have studied in previous classes about logic gates, which is AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate. And we will discuss here the universal gate, which is NAND gate. Through NAND gate, we will make some circuit here to express the working of or functioning of logic gates, and practically I will show the output of these circuits. And I will take here two toggle switches to make the two inputs, and we can say that this is a input, and we change it, and I can take an other toggle button, and I named it B. And after this, I'm using here a NAND gate, which is here, and I'll connect input of this to the toggle switch, and I will take here another NAND gate, and I will attach the input to a toggle button. And here I'm taking another NAND gate which is connected to the output of previous gates here, and I will choose an light bulb to check the output of the gates or circuit, and I will connect here. If I choose the button on, then the output will be here, and here is an other. This is an OR gate which is made by NAND gate, which is universal gate. And this is the tutorial of logically, and through logically you can learn and make the different kind of logic gates. And I will share the link of this software in the description, and you can download the software, and through this software you can make the different kind of logic circuit. And further we will discuss about this logic gate. This is the first tutorial I'm checking here.